How's it going, everyone? Just doing another video here. Some cards that I found. I actually remember why I stopped collecting, because growing up around here we had 2 sports cards. We had Farmore. Every drugstore around here sold cards. You waited in line to check out at the grocery store. Giant Eagle, Shop and Save. There was always cards while you were checking out. Rite Aids, all the places had cards, but not anymore. We got a Walmart that has a little section, and I see all these videos, people getting them at Target. Our Target doesn't have nothing. All the Rite Aids, CVS, Walgreens, they got minimal. So now I remember why I stopped collecting. But I'm going to do a post Hall of Fame edition here because my boy Bonds got snubbed again. Unbelievable. But eventually he'll get in. I thought I had graded cards of him, but I can't find them. I got boxes I gotta go through when I moved out my parents, so hopefully they're in there. But I wanted to thank my subscribers. I actually got this idea off Jack Frost Football because that dude's hilarious. If you ever get a chance, check out his videos. When he goes, yeah, it's funny. But I got this off him because I'm terrible at pronouncing names. So I got John Sports Cards, K.A. Town, Jack Frost Football, Connor Holt, Matt M. Baseball Cards, Kigo Cards, Remember the Great Sports, and Ben G76 Show. So hopefully I pronounced everybody's name right on there. Thanks for subscribing. That's the ones that showed up. So if you didn't show up on it, thanks for subscribing. So hopefully my phone doesn't fall down because my tripod broke and it's cold and snowing and I'm not leaving the house. But I bought these the other day and I want to open them and see what's in it, but I don't want to open it off camera because I watch videos of people that open them off camera and then they show you what they got, and I don't know, they always get good stuff, so I don't trust it. But I want to see what's in here. So speaking of Hall of Fame, Ichiro was on the front of this one. He'll be in the Hall of Fame if he ever quits playing baseball. And then Paul Goldschmidt on the other one. And like, these were the only 2 that was in, I think it was Rite Aid I got these. So let's see if we get anything good from the FairField. Yeah, I'm hoping my tripod stays put. Alright. Alright. At least that's not bent at all. Alright, Paul Goldschmidt. That's the pack. Donruss, 30 cents. Just gonna go through these real fast. Harold Reynolds. Green. Fire. One thing I do remember about Paul Goldschmidt is watching a Pirate game and he got hit in the hand, broke his hand, and that ended his season. CC Prince Fielder. Used to like him. He used to kill the ball. One's a all ALDS and one's just a regular one. That's cool. Ah, and another one. Nice. Sorry if I'm shaking. I'm trying to keep my hands up off the table so this tripod doesn't fall down. Oh, I didn't even notice Kent Colby. Nice. is all the years I used to collect here. Bill Buckner. It's a shame, he'll always be remembered. The ball that went through his legs. John Jaw. Black. Another Kent. He's put on a little bit of weight after the years, I see. Show Phil Gardner. Oh. My dad always used to get mistaken for Phil Gardner. Fernando Valenzuela. There's Rafael Bowyard. Weird seeing all these Pirates. Will Clark. Tom Seaver. Gold winner. Royals. Top Seattle Mariners. Chapman. Man, can he throw the ball, huh? Nelson Cruz. Cueto. Remember when Pirates, another Cueto, Kershaw, chanting his name. He dropped the ball on the mound. Jeez, I'm into that place go crazy. Plus, we were actually in the postseason for the first time in 20 years or whatever it was. Franco. Ellis Burks. Robinson. Jeez, man. Ken Griffey Sr. Dante Bichette. Lenny Dykstra. Poor Lenny. I think he's in jail now. Tim Raines. Lee Randolph. Another Lenny Dykstra. Joe Morgan. Joe Orson. Napier and Neil Walker. David Wright and Michael Morse. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be real bad, but so we got Donruss pop-ups. See a Wade Boggs on the back. Puzzle. I used to hate getting manager cards when I was little. Oh, God. Pedro Guerrero, Harold Reynolds, Harold Baines, Ozzie Smith, and Wade Boggs. Not a bad pack at all. A couple Hall of Famers in there. All right. And the first one. Okay. Ichiro. Alright, super package. 90 Fleer. Alex Rodriguez. Bryce Harper. John Lester. Another Bryce Harper. Oh, and I also wanted to give a shout out to Jab's family and The Past is Alive. Because after watching their videos is when I actually started looking for my cards again and buying them again. Because Their videos were awesome, so if you haven't checked them out yet, definitely do that. Barrel Boss. Daniel Jackson. Derek Bell. He's a true pirate. Came to the Pirates and took all of our money and went and lived on a boat. Junior Ortiz. Bob Boone. Wally Joyner. Pedro Guerrero. Lonnie Smith. Kirby Puckett. Another Chapman. Another Michael Morris. Jeez, man. I swear it's like every card you can say that they used to be. Electric Diamond. I used to love the Reds. Chris Sabo growing up. My grandma used to always call him the goon with the goggles. I don't know why, but is that Mark? Yep, Mark Gray. Phillips Finest. Ruben Sierra. Jim Abbott. Amazing what he could do. One hand. Dave Nomo. Kerry Wood. I remember that. Howard Johnson. Tim Salmon, rookie. Man, it's hard keeping your arms up off the table. I know this tripod is going to fall. Bow. Baker. Come on now. Secretary. Another Lenny Dykstra. Jeez, oh man. That's not giving me a sign that I'm gonna end up in jail. I think this was like $4.99. It's actually not that bad for $4.99. Matt Stairs, another Pirate. Trumbo. All-Star rookie. Little Heat. Jeff Curtis. Is that Bobby? Yep, Bobby Big Fan. Carlton Fisk. All right. It's actually a lot better than I thought. I thought it was going to be complete garbage in those. I'm going to try to make another video today. I got another thing of Topps and a thing of basketball. So I wanted to look at those because my buddy's kid likes basketball. So maybe if there's anything good in there, give it to him. I just like opening up and seeing what you get. Earl Hershiser. Kevin Bass. Steinbach. Ken Griffey, nice. Britt Butler. Checklist. Not bad at all. If they had more, I would have bought them, but that's the only two they had. But, yep, that's it. Hopefully I can make the other one today, but wanted to say thanks to everybody that subscribed. All right, have a good one.